Hello, in this video I will try to go through the complete overview of the Truth Social app, how to use it, how it looks like, and all of the details you should know. So here's the app. Here's basically a quick preview how it looks like. It's super similar to Twitter and all of that, but let's just start from the account creation and how it works. So basically, first you needed to sign up for the app and create an account, and then there is a super long waiting list. So I can just show in my case, I sign up to test an account and create this video overview back in 21st of February when this app was loaded to App Store. You could sign up and preload this app, and now this app was available. I thought it would be just so easy just to go and create an account, see how just this app looks like, but then suddenly you can sign up with your email and all of that, but then you will see something like, hey, your account was created, but you're in the queue number 80,000 something, and some people are now like 1,500,000 something. And then you could just go to the app and see that this number is not really, doesn't really make sense. It kept postponing to like, it was 80,000, then it was 150,000, then it was something like that, some other number. But anyways, like after 1 month, I think, or something like that, you will get probably an update that welcome to Truth Social, and now you're in the app. So if you get this email, just check your spam folder, all of that. It means that welcome to Truth Social, here's your username. By the way, yeah, you can reserve your username only on that step when you're creating your account. You can reserve your full username handle, and it's not possible to change it later. Probably you will need to reach out to their support, so just make sure to reserve your username at that first step. Then after some time, after waiting list, which took me like 4 weeks, you should get this email that your Truth Social app is ready. I don't know how much time it will take for other people, but it's taking like 4 weeks at least. So there you have it. Now here is the app. Now you can access it with your email and password. I think, by the way, this app is only available in United States, so not sure if you can use it outside of US. Maybe in Canada, or I'm not sure exactly. And then here are all the accounts. Obviously, this app is like Trump's app. It's creates community mostly for like people mostly on the conservative right side of the politics. But yeah, in this video, I'm just going through the technicalities, how the app looks like. So obviously, there are like all the list of these accounts, profiles, which you can follow. Some of them are verified, some of them are not. There are all kinds of informations of kind of publishers, personal accounts, all of that. So you can go to like, for example, Wall Street Bets. But some of the accounts, like you would think, oh, there are so many accounts already, but some of them are just bots. It means that this account, for example, is just an RSS feed aggregating bot, meaning basically it just takes updates from RSS feed, maybe from, I don't know, like either Twitter or their like website RSS or something, and just publishes the updates. And as you can see, I just follow, so you can just follow, unfollow some accounts easily, and then you will start receiving the updates from these accounts in your feed, similar as on Twitter. Overall, this app looks super same way as Twitter, because I think it was created from some open source code. And then if you tap on 3 dots, basically you can share the profile, you can block, mute, report, or something like that. So yeah, if I mute someone, it will just appear in my settings, and then I can unmute or something. Here's my feed. And then yeah, you can see all the options. So you can comment, you can reply, you can retweet, or in this case it's called retruth. So everything is called truth, retruth. You can like, you can share, and then you can see truth details. So every of these short updates is called truth. So yeah, as the app is called, it's just called truth. You can mention, mute, block, or report post if you want to report post. Yep, you can just see all these reasons for reporting and all of that. Then you can see full thread. You can see all the replies here under this video. You can see all the stats. So yeah, it's like a Twitter experience. And so design or some UI UX of this app are not the core functionality, because as I said, it's just based on open source code. But the main thing why people want to try out this app is because of the community. If they're interested in more these right-wing topics or that kind of community, that's the app. Then if you want to create compose the truth, you can just tap in the bottom right and then just write something here. You can add image, you can add video. There is a character limit of 500 characters. So it's almost 2 times as what you have on Twitter. I think on Twitter it's like 280 or something like that. So yeah, you can then just compose truth and then just tap truth in top right. Then there is your profile. In top left, you can just tap here, you can tap, and then you can just change your profile picture. If you tap here, you can tap edit profile, change your profile picture, change your banner. Similar as on Twitter, change your name, bio. You can also add your website, change your location. Yes, same as that. You can see all your truths, all your tweets or all of that you posted, and then if you're not happy, you can just delete. You can show truth details. I don't know what that should show. Probably it should show all the stats and how many replies and stuff you're getting for that. And then you can also observe all your media, truths and replies. So that's basically how you edit in your profile, and then you can just share your profile as well from here. So something like that. So that's your profile. Then you can see all the people you block and all the profile you muted. So earlier I muted this profile, I can unmute it, and that's how it works. And that's it for the, and then there's a security section. From here, it's possible to change email, password. You can enable 2-factor authentication if you want more security. I advise to do that. Then there are preferences. If you want to load media in your account, you can do it from here. Then there are other suggestions. There's a lot of legal stuff here in this app. There are so many, all these legal editions. You can also read their privacy policy. And then, in case you want to reach out to their support, the way to do it is just support@truthsocial.com. It's not possible to reach out to Help Center via app or via help communities. There is no support feedback form or chat or some support phone number. You can just do it from here, because this app actually has so many bugs. It's kind of simple, but there are so many small little fixes which needs to be done. Sometimes app doesn't load, it's not loading correctly, or some email confirmation emails are not sent, or there are so many small bugs in this app. So there you have it. But you can reach out for support here. There is no account of Truth Social on Twitter or something like that. Then what else? You can change to dark mode in the app. There are other options, and then from here you can delete your account. So just tap delete your account, and this is the way to delete your account and data from Truth Social app in case you have some concerns. Of course, again, you can always reach out to support@truthsocial.com. Maybe you'll get a reply, maybe you don't, because there are so many people trying to sign up and use this app. But it's good at least that they included this option to delete account right away in the app. At least that, because so many apps just don't have that button. And if you're concerned about your data, you don't want to have, for example, your data on a specific app, I really think you should have an option to delete an account right from the app without contacting support or getting on a phone call with some support manager. So at least this is a good sign that they have this, but there you have it. What else? You can just search here. Truth, this is just some content, this is some general feed. Then there are hashtags, profiles, all of that. Then there are alerts. You can see people who liked, who mentioned you, so similar as on Twitter. And then there are messages. But it says like, hello, a new direct messaging experience will be available soon. Please stay tuned. So yep, there you have it. Yep, so something around that. Yeah, but this messaging experience is not built yet. I don't know like how much time will it take to build this experience, but you can think like, you know, if it took like 4 weeks to get off the waiting list, maybe it won't be that fast. I don't know about all the like, you know, team capability and all of that, how much time will it take for this app to do that. And like, I don't know how it will be reflected here. Maybe they will just have like, you know, a letterbox icon similar as you have on Twitter. If the original account owner can allow DMs or something like that, then you will see this letter icon, tap on that and you'll be able to send a DM or something like that. Also, as you can see, some of the accounts are verified here. There is no option to apply for verification from the app itself. So again, just reach out to support at Truth Social and state why you think your account should be verified. But probably you only have chance if you're like a really big influencer or like a really big publisher like Daily Mail or something like that. Yeah, then you can just see your followers, people you are following. You can easily unfollow them from here, and then you can just see your followers. So something around that. Yep. So that's the idea. As you can see, there you have it. So yep, this app doesn't have that many features right now. It's not like that advanced, like for example Rumble app or even Parler, which these apps have much more features. This app is much more like simple, very minimalistic. So it's still kind of in a kind of like a beta version. Messaging doesn't work in Zella. Still a big amount of bugs and all of that, and it's just being updated and probably some bugs will be fixed. So yeah, still it probably lacks some more users, some more traction, some more interesting content at this moment. Maybe it will take off, maybe not. Like there is this trend definitely among again Rumble or Parler or some other apps in this niche where they're competing with big tech like Twitter, Facebook, and these kind of apps. So like it's interesting to see from the tech point if there will be some competition, really, like if there will be a meaningful user base in these apps or people will go back to Twitter. So just interesting to observe well where it will end up. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this quick preview of the app. That's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos.